National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north-central Illinois, Orville County in north-central Illinois until 8 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Morrison to near Linden to near Cambridge, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dixon and Polo around 7:05 p.m. Amboy, Franklin Grove, and Lost Nation around 7:15 p.m. Oregon, Ashton, and Woodhaven Lakes around 7:20 p.m. Rochelle and Sublette around 7:25 p.m. Hillcrest around 7:30 p.m. Paw Paw around 7:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Nelson, Compton, Eldena, Lindenwood, Woosung, Grand Detour, Lee Center, West Brooklyn, Lee, and Kings. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather.